Aimco builds industrial lift assists, and what we do, we serve factories from coast to coast. These factories who need better ways to move their material around their shop, where a forklift might be cumbersome and dangerous and a robot unwarranted. Our lift assists kind of bridge that gap. To do a good job as a project engineer, you have to understand the air logic, the circuits that kind of make everything work. And Custom Training Solutions has partnered with us to develop a pneumatics training course. So we're now sending every engineer that walks in the door to that training course.
Ever since I was a little kid, I played with Legos and erector sets, and I just love to build things. I kind of did a backwards path into pneumatics. I started in my co-op doing a lot of assemblies and just having to figure out how valves work. Tore them apart a couple times to understand the different pistons.
I started here about a year ago with on-the-job training. Yeah, it's kind of funny. I was working at a job doing staffing, so I was trying to help find people jobs. So I decided to try the program. We did electrical, we did blueprint, we also did robotics, and hydraulics and pneumatics. So you can almost get into just about any place, especially if they're willing to train.
So before we worked with CTS, we weren't doing any formal training whatsoever. College universities weren't offering any courses like that. Technical schools didn't have what we were looking for. So it was great to have that custom training course designed for us.
Had a huge benefit going to CTS. Really got to learn the science behind it. From there, that just was really integral to helping me step up as a project engineer.